Hey guys, so today we're gonna go in and do a really simple eye look with the new, it's not new, but it's new for me, the Makeup Revolution palette. So these ones are actually really nice. This is the Master Icon palette. It looks like so. It's so pretty. You have these two creams over here. You can use them as bases or eyeliners, which is honestly genius, and they're very much giving a dupe of a higher end makeup, and I'm hoping that they perform well. I'm gonna get two of my brushes out here. I have already put some concealer onto the eyes. I'm actually reviewing the new e.l.f. Soft Glam Concealer in another video. So I just ran that on the eyes and then set it with a little bit of powder. We're gonna go in with this shade right here and then blend out the white shade in the inner portion of the eye to give us just a very neutral, nice, everyday look. All right, we're gonna go in and just start to place that shadow down. I always like to say, place your shadow down first in stippling motions, patting motions, before you go in and really blend it out, because you want the pigment there. You don't want it to just completely, you know, go bye-bye. So I really like to just place the shadow down first before we go in and blend it out. So this is just going in the crease of the eye. It's blending out beautifully, like gorgeous. All right, wow, that blended out beautifully. Let's do the other eye. I am going to now go in with the lighter shade with more of a flat brush, and we are just going to pounce this onto the inner portion of the eye. So I just want to bring this in the inner portion just to give our eye some light. And you can do this with any color, guys. That does not have to be white. It can be any color. It could be like green, blue. I just like a lighter shade just to bring a little bit of that lightness back into the eye look so it's not so dark. Looks like so. Dang, these shadows are really nice. This might be going in my gym bag. I think I've said that like 3 times about this palette, which is actually kind of funny because it hasn't made its way into the gym bag yet. All right, so once we have that, I'm just gonna go in with the blender brush that we had earlier and just marry the two colors together. No, we didn't add any other product on the brush. It is just what is left on it. Once we have those married, I feel like this eye has a little bit more white into the center. No, this one. All right, now let's go in and blend them together a little bit more. There we go. Now the inner portion of the eye is nice and brightened. All right, then I'm just gonna go in and do a quick line, just a quick flick. That's all we're looking for today. I'm not doing anything crazy. You guys know winged liner is kind of my thing. I don't know why I like it so much, I just do. So we're just gonna do a really quick one and color it in. Just a little kiss. My liner is almost out. I'm gonna have to switch. This is the Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner. It's one of my favorites, but it is almost out and I must get another one. But until then, I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Breakup Proof liner and just color it in because that's where it was lacking. It's still too much. There we go. Just a little outside wing. Let's do lashes and mascara. I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Firework Waterproof Mascara. And then I'm going to also do my brows off camera. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to do that because I've been loving a specific product. And I really just want to, you know, show you guys it. Let's do the rest. All right. There we go. That is the eye look. The super, super 2-shadow easy eye look that is done with a drugstore eyeshadow palette. That's actually really, really good. But that concludes this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. It really helps me out. And I will see you in my next video. I love y'all. Bye. Mwah.